LINQ or language integrated query changes how you work with data in C#. Instead of writing lengthy loops and conditional logic, you write queries that read almost like plain English. The best part is LINQ works consistently across arrays, lists, databases, XML, and even web services using the same familiar syntax. Here is an example. Take an array of numbers and filter for even values with this line of code, which reads like a question you'd ask about some data. LINQ offers two syntaxes that compile to identical efficient code. Query syntax uses SQL-like keywords with from, where, and select, and method syntax uses chained methods with Lambda expressions. Both are equally powerful, so choose based on readability and personal preference.